Aloha, this is Daniel with Pre-Owned Motor Cars again. Here's another new arrival. This one's our 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, 4x4 of course. I'll show you the rest of the vehicle in just a sec. This one is a Sahara model and it features black cloth seats. Running boards pre-installed on this one too. Automatic transmission. You do have power locks and windows as well on this one. Plenty of room for passengers in the rear here. It also features good cargo space too. And then the second row can go down. Folds pretty flat too, giving you a lot more cargo space if you don't have passengers with you. This Jeep has just a little over 51,000 miles right now. So if you've been looking for a 4x4 vehicle, somewhere you can take down to the beach, maybe YPO or up your driveway, just let us know. We do have this option available right now. If you have any questions about this one, give me a call at 808-334-1111. Just ask for Daniel. I can get you more details on this one, let you know what the financing process looks like, maybe what your payment might look like on this one. Or if you want to just stop by and test drive this one, just stop by.